guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So did you guys know during summertime it's very important that the products that you use are really good, especially for your skin. You don't want to damage your skin, and sun rays can really give you like fine lines, wrinkles, damaged skin, etc. But today I have these amazing products which will take care of your skin during summer. So I'm going to show you how to take care of your skin during summer. So let's start now. So moisturizing your skin is really important during summer, winter, any season. And for this, during summertime especially, you should use a light moisturizer. So today I have this amazing moisturizer from Garnier. It's the Light Complete. So this is the Light Complete. It has about SPF 19. So you can use this as a moisturizer during daytime. So I'm just going to apply it. So especially I have dry skin, so I need something to moisturize my face, and then I also need a sunscreen. So this is the first step. You always moisturize first and then you use your sunscreen. Moving on to my second product. So guys, now sunblock is so important, especially during summer, and this is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock. It has SPF 50. So you can choose SPF according to the seasons. Summer has a lot of sun, so SPF 50 is good, especially in India. So I'm just going to take this much amount and apply it on my face. So this is good for all skin types, oily and dry skin both, and also normal skin. This won't make your face very greasy, and it's very light. Moving on to my third product. So lip balm is so important, and I have a lip balm which has SPF in this as well. Of course, you don't want to tan your lips, and you don't want to damage them. So this is the Himalaya Sun Protect Orange Lip Care, and it has SPF in this as well. So this is what I'm going to use. So you need to protect your lips also from the sun. Smells good too. So this is my last product. So every time you're traveling and it's so hot outside, your skin is almost like burning because the sun rays are really harsh, you should always carry this. This is a facial mist, and this is the Khadi face freshener. It has mint and cucumber. So just shake it, and you can apply it before going out, and also when you're traveling when it's too hot. This will just calm your face, and it's organic, it's like healthy, no chemicals used in this. So it's like really nice, smells good, and so cooling. So guys, these were a few products which are really essential during summer, and you should go try it out. So guys, you can get all these amazing products from the SimSim app, and it's a really cool app. While watching the video you can buy the product. And also I'm on Instagram, follow me there. My personal account is Leena Gowda Official, and the Foxy account is Foxy Makeup Tips. So go follow now, and I will see you soon. Bye guys. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope all of you are doing well, and I hope you guys are at home and you're safe. So now that we have a lot of time, and I've been doing different exercises. I've been doing Zumba, yoga, etc. But I came across this really cool thing which is called face yoga. So I thought, kya hai? Let's try it. I tried it for a week, and I really saw changes on my face. So I thought, why don't I show it to you? So let me make it clear, I'm not a pro at this, but then I've been practicing it for a while, and it worked. So I thought, I'll show you this. Well, see, face yoga has a lot of benefits, just like our normal yoga, it's really good for your health. So face yoga is good, to get rid of wrinkles, and it produces a lot of collagen, decreases a lot of collagen. So this helps your skin, you know, to make it look youthful and young and nice and glowing. So it really is good for your skin, helps a lot of your muscles that you don't usually use on your face. So this is really good. Why am I talking? Let's just start. Let me show you how to do it now. So the first thing that you need to do is this. Just shift the air from one side to another. Or you can just use your tongue and do this. Moving on to the next step now. Now you need to do something really fun. What we all do is pout. So pout and smile. So it's really good for your cheeks. Moving on to the next step now. Now this one is for your chin. Look upwards and do this. Just pull your chin. So this is the next step. Put your fingers here and just look upwards. You have to pull your eyebrows up, so simple. So we did cheeks, chin, forehead, and now it's time for the next exercise. So the next one is for your under eyes. Take these 3 fingers. Put a little pressure, not like that, not like, very slowly, gently. Now look up and then look down. This is for your jawline. And it also helps your neck, you know. So guys, these were a few steps that you need to follow. You can do it anytime, even while you're watching TV or, you know, just sitting like that, reading a book, etc. It's really simple. Try it, and you know, it's better than, you know, going for Botox and, you know, all these expensive treatments. Do it at home, try it, and your skin will really feel good. Your smile lines, I have a lot of smile lines which actually have decreased now. So it's really good for your skin. And do, you know, you can tell your mom, you can tell your dad, your grandmom and all. They can just sit at home and do this. It's so simple and so nice. So try it and let me know in the comment section below if you have any doubts, any questions, and please like this video, and I shall see you soon. Bye guys. Guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So I'm sure a lot of your moms or your grandmoms must have used this. This is the Fair and Lovely cream, and I'm sure it must be at your place. My mom used to use this earlier because it was very trendy. A lot of ladies used to use it. So I thought, what is so special about this cream? And I thought, how about if we make like a face pack out of this? So today I'm going to show you how to make a face pack out of Fair and Lovely cream, and it's going to be effective, and you know, it's going to give you that little fairness and freshness on your skin. So let's start now. So the first thing obviously that we'll need is Fair and Lovely cream. I'm going to take some cream in a bowl. So I'm going to add about this much amount. To this we'll add half a lime. I'm going to slice it, add it into this. I'm going to add about 3 to 4 drops of lemon into this. And now to this I'm going to add some rose water, about 5-6 drops. And that's it. Now you have to mix it. So we will need about this consistency. Smells really good. I'm just going to apply it on my face. And this is good for people who have oily skin because there's lemon and then there's rose water, which is really good for your skin. People who have dry skin, for them you can add some milk instead of rose water. This will give you more moisture and then it will hydrate your skin. So I'm going to let it stay for about 10 minutes and then I'm going to wash my face. So guys, I've washed my face now and I'm sure you all can see the instant fairness. It's really good when you don't have a lot of ingredients at home and you want a quick facial. So do try this and let me know in the comment section below. Also, I'm on Instagram, follow me there. It's called Leena Gowda Official. And don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys. Guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So today's video is all about vodka. Okay, don't get scared, I'm not going to drink this and I'm not trying to get you guys drunk. I just realized that vodka is amazing for your skin. I've done my research and a lot of people say that it's good for your skin, for anti-aging. So kids, this is not for you. This is only for people about 21 years old. So I'm going to show you what are the benefits of vodka, and today I'm going to show you a face toner using vodka. So let's start now. So for this, obviously we need some vodka and freshly brewed green tea. So just take some hot water and add a green tea bag. Now we let it cool down for a bit. So after your green tea is cooled down completely, just take it into a bowl. So I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of vodka to this. Now we're going to mix it really well. I'm going to take a cotton pad, dip it in, and I'm just going to apply it on my face. So guys, I've applied it on my skin. This is a really nice toner, so you can just apply it and go to sleep. There's no problem at all. What this is going to do, it's going to tighten your skin. We all know the benefits of green tea. It's really good for your skin, and vodka will tighten your skin and green tea will give you this amazing glow and you have a flawless skin. So I'm just going to let it stay and I'm going to tell you the other benefits of vodka. So this is tip number 2. It's for really nice fairness and for good complexion. So first we need some distilled water and almond oil. And of course vodka. So I'm going to add about half teaspoon of vodka to this and a few drops of almond oil. So you mix it really well, and all you got to do is just take a cotton pad and apply it on your face. Glow and really nice fair complexion. So guys, vodka is also good to reduce your foot odor. If you have like smelly feet and you want to get rid of that odor, all you're going to do is just take some distilled water and then you add a few drops of vodka and soak your feet in for about 5 minutes, and then you remove it out and dry it really well. So this will remove all the odor from your feet. So guys, these were a few tips on how to use vodka for your skin. And as we all know, vodka is from Russia, and a lot of Russian women do use vodka for their skin, and they have flawless skin. And this is not for all you kids out there and you teenagers, not for y'all. So if you try this, let me know in the comment section below, and also don't forget to like my video. And I'm on Instagram, please follow me there. My Instagram account is Leena Gowda Official. I'll put the link down below. And please like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.